Good morning, children. Topic articles writing is going on. There are some other articles which are important to you to know. This question, you see, has been asked in board examination during year 2014. Proper diet and regular exercise improve memory and learning. This is truth. Taking help from the following points together with your own ideas, write an article in about 120 words on the topic exercise enhances memory. It means title of the article has already been given in your question. So I think now you have no any kind of problem to write the title. Never forget title. After that you have to mention the name of the writer. That is very important. In this article, name Dipanshu has been mentioned. You can write by XYZ also. That depends on you. Now the hints are there. An hour daily workout. Walking, cycling regularly for 6 months to a year, even among the elderly, increases the size of crucial parts of the brain. Third, spread awareness through posters and morning assembly talks. Fourth, go out and exercise for better performance at academics. Dear children, we had already discussed that a article must be written in 3 paragraphs or 4 paragraphs. First of all, you have to discuss the introduction. You have to introduce the topic. What has been written here? You see, it is a fact that the present generation is definitely going to be of couch potatoes and the spectacles. Couch potatoes means slang for obese people. This is the word has been used for the people who are very very fat. So, and others are spectacled means in very young age children wear spectacles means glasses. We see all around us, we see all around us children wearing spectacles and are obese. Obese means very fat. This all is due to eating rich food, including the junk food, and sitting for hours before TV screens, playing videos, games, and no exercise. Such things do not bode well for human health. Bode means augur or tale. In second paragraph, you discuss the problem. Generally speaking, studies and sports are indispensable, means very necessary for a proper growth and a good career. So, physical exercise in a form of workouts, cycling, walking, playing traditional games are as important for good health as air and water for survival. For life, air and water are very essential. Without air and water, we cannot survive. So, exercises are very important for us. And our daily workout, walking, cycling, etc., done for 6 months to a year, increase the size of crucial parts of the brain. You will feel the benefits if you work physical, if you work physically. We need to spread awareness among the children and masses through posters and morning assembly talks in the family or in a school. We must know that a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. Means lives in a healthy body. So let us go out and exercise for better performance at academics and live a pleasant and contented life. So, dear children, in your language, you learn from this article, and in your language, you should try to write this article. I think you can do. How? Balanced diet. Proper diet means balanced diet and regular exercises improves memory and learning. In another words, you can say uh, how balanced diet and regular exercise leads a healthy life. So, I think you should ponder on this article, because this article has been asked in CBSE examination. Now there is other question. This has also been asked in CBSE. Study the verbal inputs on fast food given below and write an article for your school magazine on modern generation and fast food. You can refer to Unit Health and Medicine 100 to 120 words. So don't worry, the inputs are already there. You can use them. First of all, voluptuous variety burgers, pizzas, pre-sweetened cereals, chips, noodles, and processed food are known as fast food. Benefits: commercially served, quick to prepare, affordable, palatable. These are the benefits. Hazardous for health or bad for health? How? Hypertension, high blood pressure, cardiac arrest, diabetes, high cholesterol, etc. Nutrition, hardly any, means there is no nutrition in fast foods. High in cholesterol, sugar, sodium and preservatives, low in fiber, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. Means a little nutrition is there, develops chronic degenerative disorder, displaces fresh, homely made and healthy food, fruits and vegetables, no entry. So, your topic is already clear. You can take from the question modern generation and fast food. Written by, you can write a name, or this has been written XYZ. You can write here three crosses has been written. You have to fill your name or XYZ. What has been written here? We should see. There is no doubt that the present generation belongs to fast food due to various reasons. There are like lack of time for cooking and the easily availability of fast food. There may be a few plus points of fast food, but we can say that it is really dangerous for human health. The plus point is that fast food can be commercially served in no time as it is manufactured that way. Its variety is voluptuous. Voluptuous means sensual, जो विलासिता की ओर ले जाता है. बर्गर्स, पिज़्ज़ाज़, press-sweetened cereals, chips, noodles, and processed food. Then it is quick to serve or prepare. It is affordable and palatable also. Palatable means agreeable to taste. That they are only palatable means only tasty food. But if we see the other side of the picture, we find that eating this fast food, we are inviting many diseases. Fast food is hazardous for health. It causes hypertension, high blood pressure, cardiac arrest, means heart attacks, diabetes, high cholesterol, obesity, means fatness, etc. It has hardly any nutritional value, means such kind of foods, fast foods, have no nutritional value. It is high in cholesterol, sugar, has sodium and preservatives. It is low in fiber, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. It develops chronic degenerative disorders. So it is all the more dangerous as it displaces fresh, homely made and healthy food, fruits and vegetables. It is therefore the need of the hour that we must avoid eating the fast food. Then we will avoid risking ourselves to various fatal diseases. Fatal means dangerous diseases. So I think you should must prepare yourself. On other page, you see similar articles. One, taking help of the points given below, write a letter to the editor of the newspaper expressing your concern regarding the health hazards caused by junk food and its long lasting effects. Word limit 100 to 120, cheap, tasty, and saves time. No food value. Effect on body is always disastrous, leads to diseases like tension, blood clotting, depression, etc., and below standard. So, just you have seen this question in the form of a article, but here the same question has been asked in the form to write a letter to the editor. So the same question may be asked in a later form. Okay. So now see question number 3, that is very important for you. The implementation of Right to Education Act has ensured education for all children, year 4 to year 14 years of age. The government has also started new schemes to especially educate the girl child, for it is rightly said, if the woman is educated, the family is educated. In spite of efforts made by the government to educate girls, we still come across incidents of disparity maintained between the boys and girls education. Using hints from the above information and your own idea, write an article in about 100 to 120 words on the importance of educating the girl child. This question has been asked by CBSE in year 2012. The same, other question, which has been asked by CBSE in 2016. It is said that when you educate a boy, you educate an individual, but when you educate a girl, you educate an entire family. With reference to this, write an article in 100 to 120 words on importance of girl child education. You are Anu and Anu, dear children. Two things have been given. The format of the article has already been given in question. Importance of girl child's education. If you are a boy, write Anup. If you are a girl, write Anu. Here Arpit has been written, so this is not according to the question. You know the position in our country. Do you know uh, the lowest female literacy is there in Jharkhand and Bihar? Do you know this fact? Highest female literacy is there in Kerala and Mizoram. Remember this. Kerala and Mizoram. Delhi and Goa have second rank in female literacy. Now the question arises here, what are the causes for poor female literacy rate in India? You can say poverty, dowry, superstitions, ignorance, and male-dominated society. So, you see this article. It is a fact that everybody has the right to education, the right to free and compulsory primary education without discrimination. Discrimination to make a difference between बिना भेदभाव के, and of good quality has been reaffirmed in all human rights conventions. Conventions means established customs. But unfortunately, gender inequality or samanta in education is extreme. Girls are less likely to access a school, to remain in a school, or to achieve education. Education plays a particularly important role as a foundation of girls' development towards adult life. It enables them to secure other rights. It helps them to develop skills that allow them to make decisions and influence community change in key areas. Education is one of the most important means of empowering women with the knowledge, skills, and self-confidence. You should remember these words. That education is a means of empowering women with the knowledge, skills, and self-confidence necessary to participate fully in the development process. The educational achievements of women can have ripple effects. Ripple means wavy effects within the family and across generations. Educated women can recognize the importance of all necessary elements for better life. They know how to seek it for themselves and their family. After all, child's education lays the foundation for a bright future of the society. A girl's education means the education of the whole family. A mother teaches to his children. So, we can say the hardest profession to take in life is being a girl child. And always remember a whole range of discriminatory practices, including female feticide, female infanticide, son idolization, early marriage, and dowry have buried the future of the girl child. These are the causes that we discriminate a girl child. So, a little amount of care, a handful of warmth, and a heart full of love for a girl child can make a big difference. Do you know? Every year, 12 million girls are born in the country, but unfortunately, only one third of those survive. Some are killed in the womb, some at the time of birth, some die due to ill health, and some due to poor nutritional status. Why do people discriminate against us for nutrition and even education? They think so, dear children. There are some other problems also. To improve girls' education, under Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, government has decided certain things. Free textbooks to all girls up to class 8. The government has decided separate toilets for girls in the school. Back to school camps for out of school girls. Bridge courses for older girls. A recruitment of 50% women teachers. Early childhood care and education centers. Teacher sensitization programs to promote equitable learning opportunities. Gender sensitive teaching, learning materials including textbooks, intensive community mobilization efforts, innovation fund per district for need-based interventions for ensuring girls' attendance and retention. So, dear children, I think now you have developed your ideas to write a and good article on girl child, education of girl child. Thank you.